YouTube, welcome back to Crazy Kiwi. My name is Kiwi, everyone. We're back playing Stormworks. Did you like last time's movie? Yeah? Thanks. Let's just load that again. Let's just load the Great Kiwi versus Flamingo War. We bombed O'Neill, which is still part of Kiwi territory, but Flamingos own it. Here we are. Let me spawn in the mission. World War II Flamingo. God. Like last time I saw like 15 missions to try to do it. Like one mission was for like the beginning of the movie, like when we were evacuating. Second one was the Flamingo War. There's Nathan. No, not Nathan. There's a SU Frogfoot here. SU-25 Frogfoot. This thing is unfunctional, by the way. And there are, jeez. And there are 3 tanks that can explode. Right here. And when I say explode, you'll see what I mean. Now this thing is impossible to get out, though. Working brake. Engine. Like you want to make a battle with your friends. Like you get this tank. It's like she shoots you. You can press 4, which shows defeated. Like let me show you. Like let me show you. Brakes. It's like here. I can shoot. Like you shoot them. Like let's just pretend that one of those hits. Let's pretend that like one of those hit this tank right here. And it's a gunner. So come right here. Press 4 to simulate that you're on fire. Oh, and yes, I'm still wearing the military outfit. Oh, and there's also the APC up there. The BTR APC with all the people. Sorry, but I just don't have friends that have Stormworks. So we need to play around with some I just noticed. Goggles, goggles, goggles. Eye patch, goggles. Like all of these have goggles. Why? Let's just come here. Yeah. Get out. Let's come back to Harrison. And let's test out that thing. Let's test out that thing that was the car that was evacuating the people. Oh yeah, I shut off the lights to make it more movie-like. Woo! After Bombing Boy, Bomber Boy, I got a big ship. Where is that thing? I have filled my workshop page with anything. Like I see something that's like, give me that. into the workshop. Here it is. Even though this thing's Russian. Symmetry mode on. What the frick? Excuse me, what? Place a block right there. What the frick is up with the symmetry mode? Now I got to erase this. Do, 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 do. Okay, we are almost done. And so now we need some. Oh, this. Okay, now. We'll paint a derpy view. Selection grid. Move grid. Oh god. So where's that door? There. Move the grid. And bottom. You must copy that. Okay, so we gotta erase this. Paste. Now merge. There's the view door. The view door, correct, yes. Yeah. Open. Fuel injection cabin. What the frick are these headlights orange? Or does this thing start its engine? Radio to Moscow. Oh. This is the evacuation truck. It's the crew carrying. This is like the APC of World War II. There ain't nothing like the VU Army. If only this game had mud, then I could do some mud runner stuff. Now this thing ain't waterproof like the BTR APC, so you got to take the bridge. Stormworks is like a few of the only games that I actually want to play on the channel. like, I got American Truck Simulator. Kind of like what you saw in the first episode. Start. Oh god, oh god, move. Good God, get out. Geez, looks like right here. Cabin lights. Brakes. Do, 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 do. Ah, they are going to love me for this. You guys are going to love me for doing this. But I am the Kiwi god, so ha ha ha. Oh god, it's a normie. Oh god. This was stay in the center. Oh god. Oh yeah, I kept the brakes on. That's why it's going so slow. One way or another, it's gonna be entertaining. Get in here. Get in there, Kiwi boy. Yeah, we're high-centered. Bust that engine. Oh god. That would be a death trap. Okay, so one way or another, stealthy mission come down. This episode's stealth mission. Getting down. Well, you're down. Congrats. Congrats. Now, back to Harrison I go. That would have killed us. Good God, stop pressing caps lock. It seems like we are ready for chemical warfare, doesn't it?